So you might be trying to figure out how you can use live translations on your AirPod Pros 3s. Now doing this is actually very basic. Number one, you'll have to have the Pros 3s or Pros 2s. And number two, you're going to have to basically have an iPhone that supports Apple Intelligence. So an iPhone 15 Pro or newer. Now, on your AirPods and your iPhones, you want to make sure they're both basically connected. So make sure both your iPhones and AirPods are basically connected. And next, what you're going to want to do is you can go through and make sure you have Apple Intelligence enabled. So go inside of your iPhone settings, scroll down until you find Apple Intelligence and Siri, and make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled. So go through and do that. It's going to start downloading. Now what you're going to want to do next is you can actually swipe back up inside of your iPhone settings app right here, and you should be able to find your AirPods that show up right here. Tap inside of your AirPods, and then you'll see all this type of information basically come up. What we're going to basically look out for is there's going to be a little translation option that comes up right here. What you can do is you can go ahead and tap onto the languages option that comes up right here, and it will say press and hold both AirPods to start live translation. Live translation helps you understand what is being said in another language. So there's a couple of languages that are already supported. So what you can do is you can go through and you can tap onto the language that you want. So you can go ahead and click here and you can download that particular language, which will help you in that live translation phase. And it gives you a lot of other things you can kind of mess around here too. So go through, download the languages that you like and that you prefer. And when you're ready, all you're going to have to do is put these AirPods in your ear, and you can press and hold both AirPods just like this to start live translation. So when you put your AirPods in your ears, so you put them in your ears, right, and you put them like this, all you want to do is hold into these AirPods like this, just like that demonstration is showing, and then we'll start kicking off live translation, and then you can hear and conversate with one another at that point. You can also open up the Translate app if that also helps you out too, because that will also help you out, and you can translate it in real time as well. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.